Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. I'm really excited to be showing you guys this wig. Okay, like literally this is a 2-in-1 wig. Okay, so you can straighten this whole wig and it be silky straight, all right, and then use mousse to redefine the curls, and it's just gonna bounce back like nothing ever happened to it. All right, so I'm really excited. So this is a 2-in-1 wig. Okay, so you have to get it, so do check the link in my bio and get yourself this wig. So without any waste of time, you guys, let's get straight into today's video. I could blame it on the physical, I could blame it on your lips you touch. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is the box. It is purple and silver with a little bow. It's actually branded, so everything is branded. Okay, so they were kind enough to send me this HD wig cap, a branded hair clipper, and of course a branded Luvme hair storage bag. Then straight out of the box, this is how the wig is looking. It does not have a foul smell. It smells amazing, and yeah, this is literally an unboxing for you guys so that you know exactly what to expect. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking. It has this branded Luvme hair leaflet. It tells you all about Luvme hair. Okay, so I am obsessed with this wig. Okay, look at the highlight situation. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is a water wave wig. As you all can see, these are nice waves. So it is a bob. Oh, it's not a C-part. I thought it's a C-part, but okay, it has a nice parting space, so you can part it anywhere. So when you receive this wig, you're going to receive it exactly like this. It's literally pre-done. Okay, it's a pre-everything wig. They cut the lace for you, they bleach the knots, they styled the wig for you. As you all can see here, it is nicely hot combed. So it looks absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you the construction of the wig. It has 3 combs, so 2 right here on the side and 1 right here at the back. It also has these adjustable belts. All right, these 2 adjustable belts, so you can adjust it accordingly. And inside, the wig cap is nice and stretchy. I think you can see that just by looking at it. So it means this wig is nice and very comfortable. So I'm really excited. Okay, let me see if it moves. Okay, I know you guys love this. You love seeing if the wig moves, so it moves. All right, the brown highlights are absolutely gorgeous. All right, so this is how they're looking. Okay, I love it. I love it so much. You can see it's glueless, no glue. So this is beginner friendly. Okay, straight out of the box, this is how the wig is looking. Nothing done to this wig, nothing. Okay, wow, I love it. I love it so much. Look at the C-part situation. It is absolutely gorgeous. And by the way, guys, you can actually part it in the middle if you want. Okay, or you can part it on this side as well. Okay, this wig is tea. This wig is tea. What? Nice. So guys, this is a 2-in-1 kind of wig. Okay, I'm going to use a straightener. I'm going to straighten this side. Okay, relax. The curls are gonna bounce back because it's a Luvme hair wig. Okay, I'm going to use mousse to redefine the curls. So if you want to wear this wig straight, you can. I'm about to show you how. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you knew
what you want. What you want.
Wow, look at that. I really don't know how Luvme Hair is doing it. Okay, like, what do you mean? Look at that. Completely straight. What? This is stunning. This is stunning. Okay, let me know which side you prefer, the straight side or the curly side, because honey, I cannot choose. I look so good on both. This is stunning. Wow. So I'm going to use this mousse right now to define the curls, and let's see. I'm so excited. Okay.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Look at, you see they are forming, ne? They're already forming. Look at that. Wow. I'm speechless. What? No, you have to get this wig. Just like that. Wow, just like that, you guys. This is so crazy. This is insane. Just like that. Luvme Hair. Wow, check the link in my bio and get yourself this wig. Okay, you can wear this wig straight, and if you're tired of wearing it straight, you can actually just define the curls, like use mousse to define the curls, and this is how the wig will be looking. Wow.
My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she's so down. Will you be my lead?
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, you guys, bye.